Hello everyone, it's me Louis Corpuz. Welcome to Entertain, Educate, Inspire Baguio. Today we will just go to the Baguio City Market. We're gonna walk, so let's go. Thank you for watching. More blessings to all of us. So we have a nice, sunny, clear sky day. I also have a YouTube channel. It's Muay Thai Kickboxing, Louis Corpuz. So just if you want to learn Muay Thai, check out my other channel. Thank you. It's the tower. We have a nice blue sky. So we are already here. Baguio City Market. Hello po.
Ada basura dyan, lato-lato?
Oo, ina.
Saan?
May basura.
Meron ba wala?
Makulit ka. Sabi ko meron nga eh. Nasaan? Tapos ako pa magpapakabit sa ilog yan. Sabi ko ito.
Jakit mo ah! Nagtrabaho ka. Naman hindi pa ang takbubot na rupam. Ay, lato-lato, may kanan. Ang agbalong basura, huy. Patog.
Nasaan ang basura?
Tum. Sige, pili.
Ay, sige po.
Yakit na pang tao, hindi pang hayop dahil
Kathayop ka na!
This is Block 3. Ukay-ukay again. Look at this. This is a very old building here in Baguio City Market. Okay, there in Middle Quarry we have a house there. That mountain was very... We were playing there when I was a kid. We climbed that mountain. Now it's a lot of houses. Yeah, I grew up there. We have a house there in Middle Quarry. We climbed that mountain. There are like 1, 2, 3 trees left. This is Dama de Noche. It gets very fragrant at night.